In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Etsy keyword research tool, Keyword Finder. We'll walk through how to find strong keywords, read the data with confidence, and choose terms that help your listing reach more shoppers. To make it concrete, imagine you're selling a beautiful handcrafted name puzzle and want to surface the best keywords for it. Start by opening Keyword Finder and typing in a seed term like name puzzle. Run the search to pull back keyword data and a list of similar ideas. Think of this first search as your starting point. We'll refine from here using the tool's metrics and filters. At the top, you'll see the keyword metrics section. This pulls data directly from Etsy and includes views, favorites, sales, competition, the number of competing shops, and the average price of the top 100 listings ranking for that keyword. Views, favorites, and sales reflect demand. More activity usually means more buyer interest. Competition and the number of shops tell you how hard it may be to rank. The average price shows where top listings cluster. If you see an average around $26, consider pricing close to that range to stay competitive while still reflecting your product's quality. If any metric is unclear, hover over the info icons for quick definitions and context. Next, scroll to similar keywords. This section uncovers related terms that shoppers also use. Click Load All Results to expand the list and scan for phrases that match your product's materials, style, or audience. These suggestions can become your tags and title phrases on Etsy. To prioritize the strongest opportunities, sort the keyword list by the sales column, review the results, and keep an eye out for a balance of demand and competition. For example, Name Puzzle often shows high sales with relatively low competition for its category, making it a strong and relevant pick. Click a keyword to copy it to your clipboard, then paste it into your Etsy listing. Continue evaluating options. If a term has high sales but very high competition, like the broad keyword puzzle, consider skipping it. If it shows decent sales with lower competition, such as wooden name puzzle, that's a solid choice. Repeat this selection process until you've built a focused set of relevant terms. When you're done, use the Copy to Clipboard button at the bottom to grab all selected keywords at once. Paste them directly into Etsy. These are already formatted for the platform. Optionally, hover over a keyword and click the Trends icon to open Google Trends. Check how interest changes over time and note related queries. If any look promising, run them through Keyword Finder to validate Etsy performance. Finally, lock in keywords with strong demand, manageable competition, and clear relevance to your product. Add them to your listing and publish. You've just used Keyword Finder to research and select winning Etsy keywords.